In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export profiles from AdsPower. To get started, open AdsPower and head to the browser section. This is where your saved browser profiles are managed, and it's the main area you'll use for exporting them. Once you're there, click on Profiles. This will bring up the full list of available profiles in your account, so you can decide exactly which ones you want to export. Next, select the profiles you want. If you need everything, click the checkbox to select all profiles at once. If you only want certain ones, you can manually choose specific profiles instead. This gives you a little more control, especially if you're organizing profiles for different tasks or teams. After making your selection, click Export. This opens the export options and lets you decide how much data you want to include. At this point, choose either Export Selected or the latest 2000, depending on what you need. If you only highlighted certain profiles, exporting the selected ones is usually the best option. If you need a larger recent batch, the latest 2000 option can save time. Then choose a type. This determines the export format or category, so take a second to make sure you're picking the option that matches how you plan to use the exported data. After that, choose what to export. This is where you define the specific content you want included in the export. It's a good idea to review this carefully so your file contains the information you actually need and nothing extra. Once everything looks right, click OK to confirm. AdsPower will then begin exporting your profiles based on the options you selected. And that's it. That's how to export profiles from AdsPower. If you're doing this regularly, double-check your selections before confirming so you avoid exporting the wrong profiles or missing important data.